Okay, do it
Three,
again. Do it
two,
again. Stop.
1. Vlogmas time is a swell time to come hang out with us. Ding 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 ding.
Good morning, Vlogmas. Today we are heading home to Reno and I'm about to pack my suitcase, so I thought I would show you guys a little tutorial on how I pack because I actually get a lot of questions on that and I know it could be helpful for some people, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I pack. This is my lounging outfit this morning and what I'll be wearing while I'm packing, and this is actually a set from a super sweet follower. Marissa Bruno sent me a sweatshirt a while ago and I basically lived in it and you guys loved it, so she sent me this sweat set. And I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway with her for 12 days of giveaways, so you guys can win a sweatsuit of your own and you can pick out the color. She hand tie-dyes them herself and they're so cute, so comfy, really soft. So the rules to enter for this giveaway: be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, thumbs up on this video, and then comment on this video a travel tip that you learned from the video or a travel tip that you are just giving, because I love travel tips and I would love to hear your guys's. So comment one of those and then follow myself on Instagram if you aren't already, and follow Marissa on Instagram, and I will pick a winner closer to the end of the month. You can share Vlogmas stories on your Instagram for an extra entry and you can keep entering all month. So I'm excited for one of you to win a cozy set of your choice. Alright, so I'm going to start putting everything in my suitcase, and this is my makeup bag and this is my makeup brush bag, and I actually pack both of these while I'm doing my makeup because then I never really forget anything because I know exactly what I need for every step, and then I add extra stuff for whatever I want to do makeup wise during the trip. So these are done. And then this is like my toiletry bag. So this is a super cool travel bag, by the way. I will try to find it and link it in the description box, but it folds up into a little bag like that, and then when you get to your hotel or where you're staying or whatever, you can hang it on like the back of a door, and it's super nice. So in here I've got hair accessories, and this is like the headband I use to wash my face, brushes, I think there's a scrunchie in there, and then this is my skincare. And for skincare, I actually don't pack every skincare thing that I normally use because there's some things in my skincare regimen that could like explode on the plane, so I only pack the things that are like not gonna spill or explode. So I had to leave some things behind, but this is just a really nice little travel bag I'm obsessed with. I just realized that I packed this. I thought this was my zip cream, but it's not, so I have to go get that. Okay, much better. And I'm gonna go put these in my suitcase, and then I'll show you guys a little bit about how I pack my clothes and whatnot. So here is all of the outfits that I'm packing for my trip, and I like to hang them up here so I can see them all, and I just spend like an hour or two running around getting everything together and trying everything on to make sure that I like it, and then I group it all together. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start packing it in my suitcase, and normally I would like put each outfit in its own like little bag so that it was all sectioned together, but since I'm packing for cold weather, that is not possible because these coats and everything are so giant and roomy. I can't piece them into little sets like that, so I'm just gonna like shove them into my suitcase and make them fit. And my shoes for every outfit is down there, and I try to put like accessories with it as well. Alright, so this is my suitcase, my big one. These boots, unfortunately, take up so much room. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get my packing cubes out and then put just like bras, underwear, and socks in those. Okay, so in this one, I just have a bunch of bras, sports bras, normal bras, and then socks and underwear in this packing cube. And I packed one workout outfit so I could be active, hopefully, while I'm there. And now I need to get this shut somehow. Oh, also, I didn't pack pajamas for this trip because we're going home and I have pajamas at home, so that saves me a little bit of space. Then I also have a carry-on. And I just put my straightener in here. I'm also gonna put my curling iron in here, my vitamins, and anything super valuable. Clayton's Christmas present is over here. Obviously, can't show you guys because he has to edit this vlog, so you'll see when I give it to him. And now I'm gonna show you guys what I put in my carry-on purse. So I bring my Neverfull pretty much every time I travel. Sorry, this lighting is like really whack, but this is like my favorite travel bag. It's the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and obviously I am gonna bring my wallet. So this pouch like comes in the Neverfull, so I'm gonna put my wallet in there, and then it's like really easily accessible. I always know where it is. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the book that I'm currently reading, Think and Grow Rich. Really good so far, just started. And then I'm also gonna bring the book that I just finished, Ask and It Is Given, because there's a bunch of exercises in this book and I'm still learning how to apply them and everything, so I have to reference it even after I've read it. And then in the little pouch in my purse, I have a highlighter because I like to highlight my books, and I also have a pen because I will bring my journal that I write in pretty much every day. I will also bring my planner and my paperwork that I bring like everywhere for work. And last but not least, I will be bringing snacks. So we're really into this Inca corn. It's a good like salty snack. I always have this in this bag. And then I'll bring Smart Sweets because we are obsessed with these. They only have 3 grams of sugar and they have 28 grams of fiber, so they're like a really healthy alternative to candy. And the Swedish fish is probably my favorite flavor. Gummy bears are also good. The peach rings are my second favorite flavor. And then these are gummy bears too. Was one of these sour gummy bears? I think they're both just gummy bears. Oh, fruity and sour. Yeah, a fruity and a sour. So, snacks. And then this is ready to go. I almost forgot to bring a pair of blue light glasses. Keep them in the drawer next to my desk. I'll bring this set, I'll bring this set. There's one for me and one for Clayton. And I'll put this in my carry-on bag purse as well in case we are editing on the computer or something on the plane. I would normally pack this little thing in my carry-on too. It has like eye drops, face mist, CBD, jet lag mask, just like good little skincare things. But our flight is literally 1 hour, so I'm not bringing that. I changed into this little Adidas tracksuit. I'm actually gonna shoot this look at the airport. I think I'm gonna bra tuck it. It's super cute and cozy. And we're about to leave, so we are going to do a 10-minute clean before we leave because that is probably my best travel tip, even though it's not really traveling. But if you make your space clean when you come home, it's just so much nicer. So we're gonna do a 10-minute clean, set a timer on Alexa for 10 minutes and just tidy up.